any company that has multiple operations in different countries. Simple. They are having operations in Vietnam, they are having operations in Korea, China, and that's it. Right? But specifically is decentralized management, which means that view which says people of the host country they know the best, which means Apple China they can make their own decisions, Apple America they can make their own decisions, Apple Korea they have, Apple Hong Kong, Apple Vietnam they have their own decision makings. Okay, they don't need to wait for the head office to guide them. All right. Okay. Oh, I made a small mistake here. This one. My bad. Sorry about that. The difference, multinational company, simply they have different operation in multiple companies, but a specific type of MNC in which they have a different operations in different countries, but with decentralized management. We call this multi-domestic corporations. Guys, you understand the difference between MNC and multi-domestic corporation?
I'm a bit confused.
Maurice?
Yeah. So multinational corporation, that is the one with each country can do their own thing, or was it the multi-domestic?
No. I made a mistake here because, sorry about that. Let's just revise one more time. Multinational company which has operations in different countries. Simple. Right? What is multi-domestic company? This is a kind of multinational company, but only one thing is that its management is decentralized. Okay?
Ah, okay. Yeah, I get it now. Thank you.
Okay. So it means their attitude is polycentric, not ethnocentric. So wherever they are, their managers know the best, so let them do that. All right? Okay. What is the global company? In global company, their attitude is centralized or ethnocentric attitude. They have polycentric and they have we know the best, right? Global company. Every instruction, every decision is coming from the head office. And transnational company or borderless organizations transnational or borderless organizations which has eliminated borders or geographical boundaries, and they make themselves okay, we are big company, our production department is in US, our marketing department is in, for example, uh, in France. Our operations are in, for example, in UK. So they are big company, and then they don't care about the geographical standards. So my question is, do we see transnational companies in these words? Yes. We have a biggest example, Ford Motors. So they are integrating all of their, all of their, subsidiaries company into one company, and they are calling it, uh, we call this, there's a specific name of that, like integrating the Ford Motors to just one Ford Motors, and that's it. Okay, we call this one Ford concept. One Ford concept. So Ford Motors, which are operating in different countries, and now they are integrating with each other, and they are establishing a concept. Everyone is Ford. There is no Ford UK, there is no Ford USA, there is no Ford China, just Ford. Neither their origin is depicting here. There is no Ford US, only Ford company. This is called transnational or borderless organization. Guys, you understand? So this is simple one. A broad category is MNC, and then we have a different flavor: decentralized or polycentric attitude in multi-domestic global company, which is centralized, an ethnocentric attitude, borderless. They don't care about the national, boundaries or geographics. They just wanna stick to their name. That's it. Now, question is, we are we understand different types of organizations. Now the question is, how they got so big, or how they got the opportunities to go from one country to other countries. Korea, right? So means how organizations go international. First of all, it is global sourcing, which means purchasing materials or labor from around the world wherever it is cheaper. You import raw material. So in strategy wise here, global sourcing, exporting, importing, licensing, franchising, strategic alliance, and then foreign subsidiary. So what is global sourcing? Wherever you find the cheapest raw material, just buy from there, right? Like outsourcing. If you can produce this product at a cheaper cost, you can do that. Just give it to us, like Japan is doing. Exporting, importing, you are making the products, selling outside, or you are acquiring products and selling them domestically, importing. You are making products and selling them abroad, exporting. What is licensing? You give an organization give another organization right to make or sell its product using its technology or product. It means in licensing, you transfer the technology to other company. Okay, use our technology to make the product and just give us some profits or share some profit. What is franchising? So they are not only using your technology but also your name, like McDonald's. So McDonald's China, they are using McDonald's American technology, their name, and they are selling it to Chinese franchise. What is strategic alliance? Which means partnerships, when two companies join hands together for a common cause. For example, ExxonMobil company, they join hands together to, we have Exxon and Mobil Oil company. There are two companies when they join hands together to explore oil fields outside US. So inside US they are competitors, but outside US they are partners. Joint venture, which means a specific type of strategic alliance in which the partners agree to form a separate identity for some purpose, for some business purpose. Joint venture, right? Maybe they say that, okay, we may be establishing a research and development together, otherwise we are competitors. So since we don't have that much money research and development, so let's just establish a one lab for research and development, right? So this they go for, from minimal globalization perspective to maximum, and the maximum one is foreign subsidy, in which you directly investing in foreign country, go there, buy land, make the buildings, and start producing production over there. So this is the highest